AI is powerful, but it isn't designed to replace human judgment. Knowing when not to use it is just as important as knowing how to use it. Today, we're not focusing on what AI can do. We're focusing on where it shouldn't be used. Because confidence with AI isn't about using it more. It's about knowing when to step back. And that's what separates someone who uses AI from someone who uses it well. There is a time and a place for everything, and today's session is going to help clarify where boundaries can be helpful. AI works best as part of a process, not the whole process. It can help you draft ideas quickly. It can help refine and improve what you've written. You then iterate, ask more questions, make modifications, and take a step back. You do a review, then you make a final decision. And that always sits with you. AI doesn't take responsibility. You do. And keeping that clear in your mind changes how you use it. There are some areas where AI should never be leading. Financial decisions, for example, require accountability. Professional judgment depends on experience and context and time spent with the client, knowing the industry and the nuances of the individual situation. Sensitive communication, especially in HR situations, can be a minefield with so much to consider: the recipient's personality and your relationship with them. AI doesn't know that, and even if you add it to your prompt for context, it cannot fully understand how your message is going to be received. These situations need emotional awareness. Let's consider that legal nuance and data accuracy both require careful validation. Multiple checks, these are judgment zones. Big decisions will be made based on your recommendations. It's important that you take that seriously and that responsibility stays with you. This is where things can quietly go wrong. Using AI feels fast, it feels efficient, it can even feel impressive, it will certainly make you feel everything is going in the right direction. But speed isn't always the same as quality. Over time, over-reliance can create a false sense of confidence. You start trusting outputs without really questioning them. And that's when small mistakes turn into bigger ones. AI is programmed to agree with you, to reassure people that they are doing a fabulous job. All of their suggestions are right and valid. But hang on, if it only tells you the positives, you need to be honest with yourself about the negatives and check yourself from time to time. AI can easily inflate your ego, so it's important that, as humans, we stop and consider things before we take action. The most effective people aren't avoiding AI. They're using it, but with awareness. They use it to support their thinking, not replace it. They check what comes back, they question it, they adjust it. And most importantly, they think beyond it. That's what real confidence looks like. So think about the broader picture, the outlying factors, the past interactions, the ramifications. AI does not know everything in your head. You need to pair your judgment and experience with the support AI can provide you. A small shift makes a big difference. Before accepting any output, pause. Ask yourself, would I actually say this? Does this reflect the situation I'm in? Does it sound like me? Is it my language? Sense check it against real context. And if it matters, whether that's numbers, decisions, or communication, validate it. Check out the websites first, go back and read around the subject and do your own checks now before you take the next step. Because AI is a powerful tool, but just like a new office intern, it works best when you ask for support, provide context, give boundaries, clarify answers, check thoroughly, and remain in control of the final output. You wouldn't let the new intern write an annual review and sign it with your name without you doing your due diligence first. Treat AI like that too. Thank you for joining me on this session today. I hope you have found it helpful.